Hey everyone, I am here and today I will be showing you how to basically upgrade your Linux kernel to a newer version. Now there are a lot of reasons you might want to upgrade your Linux kernel, and that's what I'm doing right now. So before you do anything else, you must know if you have a long-term support release or an older version of Ubuntu or Ubuntu based operating systems, or you have the latest one, and please do the updates before you continue on, because you will need it. So what I like to do basically is go ahead and do one by one kernel update. So if I start with 3.11 and now I go to 3.12 and then I'm gonna go to 3.12.1. So to know what basically you have, what kernel you have, go ahead to your terminal and then go ahead and type uname space leasing and then R, and then you can see what you have. I have 3.12.0. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and exit all of my applications, as you can see. That's why I'm not screencasting from the desktop. And I'm gonna go ahead and download three things. The one is the Linux headers all, and the other two is if you have 64-bit, and let me show you that. I'm gonna go ahead back to the Ubuntu kernel versions and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll all the way down. You must know the name. So this is saucy, I think it's for 1304 or 1310. Anyways, so over here I'm gonna go ahead to this one that I want to upgrade. And as you can see, I have downloaded three stuff. I have a 32-bit operating system, so I will download this one, which is i386, and then the other one, which is all. So the Linux headers, then Linux everything all, and then this one, which is a Linux image, and this i386. And if it does have one more thing, be sure to download that as well. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and start a terminal up once again. I'm going to go ahead and cd to the kernels where I have downloaded all the kernels, and then I'm going to cd kernel version 3.12.1. I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to do a dir just to be sure. And yes, this is what I want. So what I'm going to go ahead and type now is sudo. So I have administrator privileges. Sudo and then dpkg space dash, I think, dash I, and then an asterisk, an asterisk dot dep. This will be in the description as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and press enter. It's gonna ask for my password, and I'm gonna go ahead and type my password, press enter, and it's going to start the kernel upgrade. Now be aware, not every kernel agrees with your system. So if you're using Ubuntu, you might get Unity 2D, which is never a good thing. If you use something like Elementary OS, the operating system might not put at all. And yeah, that's not a thing that you will want. Anyway, so what it's doing right now is go ahead and upgrading the kernel. It does not say it does not report any problems, which is really nice, because when I tried it, when I originally tried it, it was 12.04, and I tried to immediately upgrade to 13.10 kernel, and that broke the system. And also it didn't know my graphics card, so it just missed it. Now that it has done, I'm gonna go ahead and go here and then shut down. I'm gonna go ahead and click on shutdown, and you must restart your system. So I don't know why I don't know why I said shut down. I don't know. Anyways, so what it'll do is gonna shut down my PC, and then I'm gonna reopen it. So it's like a restart now. Anyway, so it's gonna restart up right now. You will not see the kernel, and that's not something. The kernel, what? The grub. That's something that's okay. But if you want, if it kind of broke your system, the kernel, you can always, when you start up your system, you can always go ahead and press the shift, hold down the shift key while the system is booting, and it's going to immediately go to the grub. Anyways, that was a really fast boot. I really love that. And I'm gonna go ahead and type in, oops, I'm gonna type in terminal, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a sudo, and then, oops, I'm gonna do a to see the kernel, uname -r. I'm gonna press enter. 3.12.1. That is nice. So one thing that you might want to know is, if you know about kernels, do not just don't go ahead and remove more kernels. What I'm trying to say right now is, don't try and removing all the kernels and leaving the one that you have upgraded in. That's because if it's presenting with you with any problems, you can always go ahead back and remove the new kernel to stay with the old kernel. And what I recommend is the one which came with your PC. Now, as you can see, this is not Unity 2D, as you can see. So Unity 2D is a really bad experience. You cannot play any games and stuff. I hate it, Unity 2D, but yeah, it's good for all PCs. What it basically is, this is bigger, has no transparency, and you cannot change the colors, the how big the icons are. You cannot play games, and it's a horrible experience. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video here. Thanks for watching, and if you do enjoy this video, be sure to like. I really appreciate the likes and comments. I read all of your comments, and yeah, I read them, I answer them if it's any questions and stuff. And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, you want almost daily videos. I upload videos after 1 or 2 days, 3 the maximum, and yeah, because there's school in the way. Anyways, so yeah, if you want to know how I made these animations for Windows to close and stuff, be sure to comment me down below, and I will show you how to do that. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all later. Until next time, stay awesome. Be sure to subscribe to join the awesome army, and yeah.